Hello and welcome to another Friday Fun. This one is a sort of extension of last week's. Last week's I was using the MODX, which I've got here, and also the Typhon. And this time I thought I'd try and concentrate on the MODX only because after I did that, a few of you were saying, oh, you should really check out the Smart Morph feature, which is the new operating system of the MODX. I think it's also available in the Montage at OS 3.5, but we've got a MODX 6 here. So essentially what that is it operates on the FMX engine, which is the 8-operator engine, which is inside the MODX and the Montage. So I've got a voice here. If I just flip to the different view, we should be able to see the Smart Morph, and then we can actually go into the Smart Morph feature. If we go into Edit. Now Smart Morph, as you can see here, what it does is you can load, you don't have to load all of these slots. This has got 8 FMX voices. And what it's done is it's created, the Smart Morph feature analyses the contents of all of those and creates this sort of mapping, which allows you to then, in this case, we're using the Smart Morph knob to move the path, or the motion sequence knob. This has got a fixed path, but we could just as easily go into all these places. What it's doing is it's actually taking all of the kind of points in this set of patches and creating a path through them. And what you do is you just press learn once you've set it in, and it does take a little bit of time. More about the FMX engine. FMX engine is essentially an 8-operator FM engine, and it's very, very complex and capable of amazing things. I mean, sadly, it's also almost as difficult to edit as most FM engines, and you know, there's a little more help obviously with the graphical engine, but it's still quite a complex thing. So here's what we've got now. Let's see. Interesting. Kind of atonal. Let's try another one of those, and while it's doing it I'll tell you a little bit about other things. Well, actually I can't tell you about other things, or I can't show you, because the Smart Morph feature is something that has to happen sort of offline. It kind of learns its stuff, does its thing, so you can't run it like maybe when you're running the sequencer or other functions. It's a sort of offline process. Once it's done, then you can do it. So now we'll go to my main page. We'll just go to, I've got 7 parts, so oh, that's interesting. Yeah, we'll use that. So let's just play some of these other parts that I've got. I've got 7 parts lined up. There's, I think, 5 of them are playing. So we'll just start this off. This is a sort of, first part is an FM bass sequence. That's quite nice. I've got another rhythm part, just sort of pips it up a little bit. Let's and I've got this electric piano part to sort of build over G. I've got this CP80 part. It's quite nice. It's sort of quite stadium, but then, you know, I often do just regular ambient, and the problem is I'm a child of the 80s and 90s, so my beats are probably not going to be the most contemporary. Then I've got this tone wheel organ part, which brings it into sort of more Tears for Fears territory. Using the knobs to real-time control. And I've got a really massive drum beat. MX engine. Can be quite unpredictable, the results. See those jumps in volumes, but you're going to be getting sounds that you're not getting anywhere else. So I hope maybe this encourages you, if you've got a workstation, try something without the DAW. I mean, I've just written these patterns in here, saved it as a part of the performance. That's it for today. Hope you can get some fun out of your own kit. Enjoy your weekend.